Cooking for me, a lot of times is about the contrast of flavors. Taking two things that maybe don't belong together and sort of coaxing flavors, bridging them together so that they actually make sense on a plate. Probably one of the most misunderstood foods in the world is tofu. I grew up eating tofu in so many different forms, in soups. We paired it with seaweed and beef and meat stock and pork stock and pork kimchi stews. And all of a sudden, my beloved tofu turned into a vegan health snack. And so that's fine, but once it became a health food and we started using it to sub out meat for burgers and chicken, it sort of got this bad reputation of being flavorless and bland. And the thing about tofu is that it is essentially bland. Bland is okay, as long as we extract flavor out of it, as long as we coax it, as long as we accompany it with very different things that are gonna lend flavor to it. So today, we're going to do a tofu dish. We're pairing it with a really hearty beef stock and some ham salt, and we've got some radishes as well. One of the things that we're gonna start with today, which is really important for me, is how to make a meat stock. I think everyone sort of has a vague idea about how we make stock, right? You put bones in some water and you boil it. We're actually gonna take fat and emulsify it into a stock versus making a clarified stock.